will help you with the rules for adding integers, the algorithm. So, to add two integers with the same sign, you keep that sign and add their absolute values. If you're adding two integers with different signs, you keep the sign of the number with the bigger absolute value and subtract their absolute values. So here's our problem. Find the sum. Remember to show your work. Negative 41 plus negative 26. These two numbers are the same signs, so I'm going to keep the negative sign. Below it, I'm going to add the absolute values. And remember, in your work, you don't have any sign for this part because we were worried about the absolute values only. And then up at the original is where you write the answer with the final sign, which would be, in this case, negative 67. 84 plus negative 13. Now we're adding two numbers with different signs. When I compare the absolute values, 84 has a bigger absolute value than the absolute value of negative 13. So in this case, my answer is going to keep the positive sign. Now below it, I'm going to show that I'm subtracting the absolute values. You put the higher absolute value first, the lower absolute value second. When I subtract, I get 71. And now up at the original, my final answer would be positive 71. 56 plus negative 83. These again have different signs. So when I compare the absolute values, in this case, the absolute value of negative 83 is bigger than the absolute value of 56. So I'm going to keep the negative sign this time. Then below it, I have to subtract the absolute values. Again, remember to put the higher absolute value on top. Now when I subtract, I get 27. So up at the original problem, my final answer will be negative 27. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.